you, darling. It's okay. It's okay. I know. Hard to learn stuff, isn't it? You watching? That's all I'm doing to you. Should I make sure I wasn't going to rip her leg off or something? Alright, let's walk around a little bit. Come on, doll. Walking is one thing she does very well. Probably don't even need the...
You're walking out of view.
I know, coming around the trailer to get out of sight of Mom once in a while. Can we do a very good job of walking? Oh, Mom's all worried. It's okay, Mom's over here. Look, there she is. There she is. Whoa. Good. And she walked very good though. We move back. We don't know about that yet either. Good job, sweethearts. Okay, and that's basically what the beginning is so far. The basic handling. And she's a very cute girl. Whoa, sweetie.
And there's Mama in the background.
Watch where you're going. There's Mom. I like to go to Mom.
Okay, battery's getting low.
Okay.